children, I'm Nikki Lakhani from DPS Gwalior. Today I'm going to tell you the importance of muskmelon in our diet. Muskmelons are rich in vitamin A and beta carotene, which strengthen our eye muscles and improves our vision. Not only this, they're also rich in potassium, which helps to maintain our weight, and the fat content in it is negligible. So जो नहीं खा रहे हैं वो खाना चालू कर दो. You can have muskmelons as just fruit, right? Or you can convert it into mocktails and smoothies. So let's prepare muskmelon mocktail. For muskmelon mocktail, you require fresh melon pieces, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can have 2 teaspoons of sugar, or you can convert sugar into fine powder. You transfer 7 to 8 fresh pieces of melon into the jar and blend it to prepare the muskmelon pulp. Now see, this muskmelon pulp is ready. Now what you have to do is, you have to take the serving glass, transfer the pulp into the glass, add a few ice cubes, 2 to 3 to it, add a 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to it, add up 1 teaspoon of sugar, and instead of sugar you can even use this honey. Stir it and our muskmelon mocktail is ready. You can serve it. Smoothie, you require melon pieces, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of fresh cream, 2 teaspoons of sugar, or what you can do is, instead of cream and sugar, you can even take 1 tablespoon of condensed milk, and in place of sugar, you can even add honey. Add up these pieces into the jar. Add half a cup of milk to it. Now add 2 teaspoons of sugar, Amul fresh cream. As I told you earlier also, instead of this Amul fresh cream and sugar, you can even add condensed milk to it. It's already sweet. Now, after adding all these, you have to blend it. Smoothie is ready. Now it's time to serve it. Let's take the muskmelon shell, transfer the smoothie into it. Okay. Garnish it with chopped almonds. Now we are going to prepare double-layered mocktail. For double-layered mocktail, we require the muskmelon pulp, which you've already prepared. The other layer will be of watermelon. Let's prepare the watermelon pulp. Add fresh pieces of watermelon. Remember, you have to remove the seeds. Do not add up the seeds, please. And blend it. Now, our watermelon pulp is ready. You don't require any sugar because both melon and muskmelon, they contain natural sweetness. Now, double layered preparation. Now, add up this muskmelon pulp. Add the ice cubes. This watermelon pulp and garnish it with chopped almonds. And this is double layered mocktails. Now let's have the party. Bye bye.